Hello students, welcome to the Python series. I am Sugandha from GateMate Learning and I am here to teach you about Python programming language. So today we are going to learn about what is Python data type and we will learn about built-in data types. Okay, so in programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. When we are storing any value as a variable, many variables have many types, and according to their types they have different work, or they can give us output in different way. So here I summarize some built-in data types. So like if the variable is in text type, its data type will be str, that is string. If it is numeric type, that is number. If it is, its data type will be integer, int, float and complex. If it is of sequence types, the data type will be list, tuple and range. If it is mapping type, data type will be dict, that is dictionary. If it is set types, the data type will be set and frozen set. If it is boolean type, data type will be bool. If it is binary types, data type will be byte, byte array, memory view, and none type, that is none type. Okay, so this is the list of data type in which the type of variable defines which data type it is. Okay, and there is also option of getting the data type using the type function. If we are using this type function into our program, it will automatically give the data type of the variable. For example, print the data type of the variable x. Okay, x equals to 5 and print type x. This will give the output as integer, because here the value 5 is a int value. Next one is setting the data type. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. When we assign any value to variable, data type is automatically set to it. And for example, x equals to hello world, and the data type will be set to str, that is string. If x equals to 20, we will give this value. Data type will be set to integer, that is int. These are some examples. So to understand what is float, what is different data type. Like if x equals to 20.5, a decimal value, the data type is automatically set to float. If we will give 20.0, it will also go to the float data type. Okay, if x equals to 1j, it will complex, mixture of number and digit, letter, sorry. After that, if we are storing values like this, apple, banana, cherry, it will goes to the list one. And if we also have to understand one thing here, the big bracket is used. For list we use the big bracket, and for tuple we use the small bracket abbreviation. Okay, so x equals to apple, banana, cherry, that is goes to tuple. X equals to range 6, the data type will be range, automatically assigned to it. X equals to name John, age 36. This is a dictionary value, because here we are giving a mapping type value to a variable. And normally x equals to apple, banana, cherry, it is a set of fruits. And x equals to frozen set, apple, banana, cherry, it is a frozen set. Okay, I will teach you more about these things in the next more videos, so keep in the series. Okay, x equals to true, that is a bool. In bool there are only two values, true or false. Okay, x equals to b, hello, that is bytes. X equals to byte array 5, that is byte array. X equals to memory view bytes 5, that is memory view. And x equals to none, that is none type. So these are the values we can assign to a variable so that they get their automatically data types, and these are the data types. Now coming next to setting the specific data types. If we want to specify the data type, we can use following constructor function. which I have mentioned here. X equals to str hello world. If we use that str before assigning any value to a variable, this will specify the data type. That if we want to show so it we can understand, like if x equals to int 5 or int 20 we are giving to it, we want to show it in the code that I am giving the integer value, so we can specify it using these data type names. For a string we use str, for integer we use int, for float we use float, for complex we use complex, and the rest we can see here. And I also, at the end of this video, I also add a exercise, that is, if x equals to 5, what is the correct syntax for printing the data type of the variable x? And these three are your options. You have to give answer in the comment box. I will check there. So this is it about the built-in data types. These are the main data types used in Python programming language, and this is how we set the data types by giving value to the variable, and according to this the data type is decided by the compiler. Okay, so thank you so much. Be in the series Python series video and learn more about Python programming language. And one more thing, don't forget to install GitMate learning app from Play Store. Thank you.